Here's a tutorial on how to do a chest roll. Well, this variation of a chest roll. So, there are so many different types of chest roll throws or starts. But in this video, I will show you how to do a chest roll using this hand positioning, palm facing the sky. I find this version to be the best when first learning this move. There are 4 components to the chest roll: the wrist movement for momentum, the release of the hoop, the lean back as the hoop rolls across your body, and the catch with your other hand. When first learning this move, I find it helpful to have your head follow the movement of the hoop. Again, the wrist, the release, the roll, the catch. Let's see it all together. I'm going to first break down this move with my right hand. Hold the outside of the hoop, palm facing the sky. Practice moving your wrist up and down a few times before releasing the hoop. When you release the hoop should be touching your forearm. Don't worry about catching the hoop the first few tries. See? Remember to lean back as you release the hoop. The hoop should be released as it touches your forearm. Not tossed from your hand, not thrown to your chest, but as it touches your forearm. You can follow the hoop with your eyes as it rolls across your chest to help with seeing the hoop as you catch it with your left hand. Let's put that all together. A smooth chest roll begins with the release. You want the hoop to be on your forearm before you let go of the hoop. When you release too soon, the hoop bounces like this. So let's try that again. If you lean back as the hoop rolls across your body, it creates a flat surface for the hoop to roll across. Oh, this is not a bad way to catch the hoop with your left hand. Okay, one more time. Nice. And a little bit of a distraction, but okay. Since we've tried it with our right hand, let's try it with the left hand. Hold the outside of the bottom of the hoop, palm facing the sky. Practice moving your wrist up and down. This movement will give the hoop momentum to travel across your body. As the hoop touches your forearm, you will release the hoop and lean back as it rolls across, and you catch it with your right hand. Remember, it can be helpful in the beginning to follow the hoop with your eyes or head when first learning the chest roll. Let's try it all together. This side is definitely my weaker side, but I still got it. Woo! The lean back, like the song, really helps create a flat surface for the hoop to travel across. Try the move a few times. As you can see, even I need a little practice with the momentum and release with my left hand. Okay, more tries. Try doing a chest roll from one side to the other and repeating back. It's now time to go over 4 transitions or combos using the chest roll. The first is moving the hoop like this into a chest roll. Let's do that a few times. Woo! Chest roll. The second is the anti-spin flower into a chest roll. The third is a palm spin out to the side into a chest roll. And the fourth is a circle into an isolation and into a chest roll. But that's all I got. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Bye!